Hello and welcome. I'm Iggy, and today I want to share something that transformed my life: the power of visualization. Why visualization is important. Did you know that simply visualizing your goals can literally reprogram your mind and help manifest what you desire? It's not magic, it's a combination of science and intention. Visualization activates parts of your brain responsible for planning and action, creating a powerful connection between where you are now and where you want to go. In today's video, we'll explore what visualization is and how it works. Practical benefits. How to use my vision board. Yes, I'll gift you the one I developed for myself. The most effective techniques to transform your dreams into reality. Obstacles and how to overcome them. Synchronicities and acting with awareness. If you're ready to unlock the potential within you, join me on this journey. Let's turn your dreams into reality. Prepare a pen and paper or simply get comfortable to absorb this experience. Let's get started. What is visualization and why does it work? Visualization is more than just imagining beautiful things in your mind. It's an intentional practice that connects your thoughts to your goals, a mental roadmap to success. The use of visualization to shape reality began in spiritual practices and rituals, but gained traction as a practical tool in the late 19th century with New Thought. In the 20th century, psychological and neuroscientific sciences began to give legitimacy to the practice, consolidating it as a powerful method of personal transformation and goal achievement. Thus, visualization is an ancient practice that has evolved to adapt to contemporary contexts of self-knowledge and success. The science behind it. Activation of the reticular activating system, RS. Your brain has a function called the reticular activating system, RAS, which acts as a filter for everything you perceive. When you repeatedly visualize something, the RS starts to identify opportunities and paths related to your focus, as if programmed to seek what you desire. Example: have you ever thought about buying a specific car and suddenly started seeing that car everywhere? That's the RS in action. Neuroplasticity. Another scientific basis is neuroplasticity. Our brain is like a muscle that can be shaped. Repeated visualization creates new neural connections that help you act in alignment with your goals. It's like mental practice before execution. Connection to daily life. Think about it. Athletes use visualization to enhance performance, CEOs use it for strategic planning, and even students use it to overcome exam challenges. It's not magic, it's focused practice. Example: Michael Phelps, the greatest Olympic swimmer, said he visualized every movement in the pool before every competition, even unexpected situations. Relation to mindset and the law of attraction. How does this connect to the law of attraction and mindset? When you visualize something clearly and emotionally, you send a message to the universe that you're ready to receive it. More importantly, you reprogram your mind to act as if you've already achieved it. Example: if you want your dream job, visualize yourself in that role, what the workplace looks like, how you dress, and the meetings you lead. This not only motivates you, but also prepares your brain to identify the right opportunities. Practical benefits of visualization. Now that you understand what visualization is and how it works, let's explore its transformative impact on your life. Key benefits. Increased focus and concentration. Visualization programs your mind to prioritize what's important, helping you avoid distractions and stay on track. Example: after creating my own vision board, I noticed I started focusing more on tasks that truly brought me closer to my goals, ignoring non-essential activities. Reduced anxiety and stress. Visualization has a calming effect. By imagining positive scenarios and success, you reduce anxiety about the future and feel more prepared and confident. Example: before important presentations, I always visualize myself on stage feeling secure and confident, significantly reducing my nerves. Clarity of goals. With so many dreams and plans, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Visualization helps you prioritize what matters most, providing clarity about what you truly desire. Example: I used to feel lost among so many ideas. Once I started visualizing, I could organize my goals and create a clear plan. How to create a vision board. Let me introduce you to my vision board, which is now in its 4th version. Over time, I've refined it, adding new elements to make it more effective. Structure and features. Inspirational text. On the left side, I keep a text I love, which I read before visualizing my goals. It helps align my energy and feelings to begin with the right vibrational state. Categories and goal details. I organize my goals by category, adding a picture to represent each goal. I note the start date and, upon achieving it, the completion date. Clear and direct descriptions ensure the goal is well-defined. Affirmations. For each goal, I write affirmations describing how I feel upon achieving it. This elevates my vibrational state, linking emotions to realization. Links to exercises. I include links to practical exercises as I believe that we often need to unlock beliefs or work on specific areas. Example. If I want to overcome shyness and improve my communication to take on a leadership role, I start with specific unblocking exercises in this area. If the focus is money, I do practices related to that category. In this section, I list my favorite meditations, prayers, guided visualizations, affirmations, and other techniques specific to each theme. Synchronicities. I document coincidences as signs of alignment between my vibrations, emotions, and visualizations. Sometimes, aiming for one goal unexpectedly leads to something even better. This vision board is available for download. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I would be very grateful, as one of my goals is to reach more than 1,000 subscribers. Take this moment to exercise gratitude and align your intentions. Visualization technique. Creative visualization. How to do it correctly and incorporate emotions. Concept. Creative visualization is the process of imagining in vivid detail what you want to achieve, combining mental images, positive emotions, and a sense of accomplishment. Why it works. This practice uses the power of the mind to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your goals. Furthermore, it activates brain mechanisms, such as the reticular system, helping you perceive opportunities and paths to achieve your goals. Steps to powerful visualization. Prepare. Sit comfortably in a quiet place. Take a few deep breaths to relax. Create the scenario. Close your eyes and imagine your goal already accomplished, as if remembering something that already happened. Add details. What do you see? The greater the level of detail and satisfaction, the better gratitude you feel. Who is around you? What sounds, textures, and aromas are part of this moment? Embody emotions. Feel gratitude and joy as if it were already part of your life. Repeat phrases like, "I'm grateful I achieved this." Finish with intention. Open your eyes slowly, maintaining the positive energy of the visualization. Carry this feeling with you throughout the day. Obstacles and how to overcome them. Common visualization errors. Lack of clarity. When objectives are not clear, visualization becomes confusing and ineffective. How to solve. Be specific. Instead of "I want to be successful," say "I want to be promoted to position X by next year." Anxiety. Thinking about the future can generate anxiety, creating an emotional block. How to solve it. Take a deep breath before practicing and focus on the present, feeling gratitude for what you already have. Doubt or self-sabotage. Questions like, "Does this work?" or thoughts of inability can get in the way. How to solve it. Reinforce your confidence by remembering the small steps you have already taken. How to deal with negative or saboteur thoughts. Recognize and replace. When a negative thought arises, ask yourself, is this true? Is there evidence to prove otherwise? Replace it with positive affirmations such as, "I am on the right path and I am capable." The practice of small success. Visualize not only the end goal, but also the small steps you have already achieved. This creates a cycle of trust. For example, if you feel doubt, think about the moments when you overcame challenges in the past as proof that it is possible. Your practices gradually become many. Tools for reframing. Use guided meditations, breathing exercises, or journaling to process negative thoughts and redirect your energy. Reinforce the idea that the practice of visualization, even with challenges, is a continuous and transformative process. Say something inspiring like, "Obstacles are not permanent barriers, but stepping stones to your evolution." With clarity and persistence, you can overcome anything. Synapses can change with the practice of affirmations, thanks to neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to reorganize itself over time in response to repetitive thoughts, experiences, and behaviors. How does this work? Strengthening neural connections. Each time you repeat an affirmation, especially with emotion and intention, the neural connections related to the positive belief it represents strengthen. For example, by repeating, "I am confident and capable," you reinforce the neural pathways associated with confidence and ability. Replacing limiting beliefs. Affirmations help replace negative thoughts or limiting beliefs, creating new, healthier, more positive neural patterns. Consistent repetition is crucial to weakening old thought patterns. Activation of the brain's reward system. Affirmations accompanied by positive emotions, such as gratitude or joy, activate the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine. This makes the practice more effective and reinforces the new standards. Scientific examples. Studies show that repetitive practices, such as meditation or affirmations, can change the structure of the brain. For example, the amygdala, responsible for fear and anxiety, can be calmed with positive practices, while areas associated with self-esteem, such as the prefrontal cortex, become more active. Tips to maximize results. Be consistent. Repetition is essential for creating new synapses. Use emotions. Feel the affirmations as true, imagining the positive results. Combine with visualization. Visualizing what you affirm helps solidify neural patterns. Practice daily. Set aside a few minutes of your day to consciously repeat affirmations. Over time, synapses related to limiting beliefs weaken and new connections based on empowering beliefs form, changing your perception and behavior. Synchronies and acting with consciousness. Key points. Visualizing is just part of the process. Explain that although visualization is powerful, it needs to be accompanied by conscious action. For example, viewing is like setting the destination on the GPS, but you still have to drive the car to get there. Recognizing synchronies. Describe how signs, unexpected events, or coincidences might indicate that you are aligned with your goal. For example, maybe you envision a new job, and someone mentions an opening without knowing you're looking for it. That's not just a coincidence, it's an invitation to take action. The importance of taking action. Emphasize that, when noticing these opportunities, it is crucial to take action to take advantage of the chances that arise. For example, if you are visualizing health and suddenly find a yoga course recommended by several people, take advantage of that moment and try it. Inspiring story or example. Share a personal example or someone who recognized a synchrony and acted to achieve what they wanted. For example, a friend of mine envisioned writing a book. One day, he met a publisher at an event he almost didn't go to. Today, the book is published. When you visualize, you send a message to the universe. But when you act with awareness, you respond to the messages the universe sends you. Be present, watch the signs, and take advantage of the opportunities. I want to thank you for watching this far. Just dedicating this time to yourself is an incredible step towards transformation. Now it's your turn. Start practicing visualization, either with the techniques we've shared or creating your own path. The important thing is to take the first step. I would love to know your opinion. Leave a comment sharing your experience, or tell me how you plan to start applying these ideas in your life. Your story can inspire others. If you liked this video, check out other content on the channel. There you will find more tools and practices to continue your journey of self-discovery and growth. The power of visualization is in your hands. Everything you want is closer than you think. Start today, keep faith in the process, and see how your life can transform. Thank you very much for being here. I am grateful to share this moment with you. Until the next video. Don't forget to download the vision board. The link is in the description of this video. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like if this video helped you in any way. Thank you. I hope life smiles at you.